Hello, welcome to Skills and Learning Development. In today's Excel Learning Session 2, Part 3, we will learn about various functionalities under alignment, which is here. If you see, it comes under Home option on your ribbon. So let's start talking about this. Let's talk about the first functionality, which is about the top alignment. Let's see how it works. Let me expand these columns. I already have some data put it here for your reference. So when we select this cell and let's apply for the top alignment, what this will do? This will take this data to top and it will align everything with the top direction. And similarly, when we say for the middle alignment, so it will bring your content to the middle. And let's see how the bottom alignment works. It's already at bottom. So if you see, this becomes active. So it is showing as dark, which is bottom alignment. So this is how this functionality works. So let's see, for this one is top aligned. Now it becomes middle aligned and now it becomes bottom aligned. So this is how it works. And the next down we have left alignment, center alignment and right alignment. Let's see how this works. Currently this looks like it's a left aligned already. So once we click on this, it will come to left side because it's already there on the left side. It won't work here. So let's see now how middle alignment works. So this will bring this text to the middle. Let's see here. And if we click on right alignment, this will take this to right. So this is how it works. And next we have something called to rotate your complete text or values in the cell. So it rotates clockwise or anti-clockwise, and vertical or rotating completely text to down. So let's see how this works. So let's apply this thing here with a few example. This is how it works. And age, if we do, let's see, it rotates clockwise. It will come in this way. Now let's do this on the same here. Rotate text up. It will come like that. So this is how this rotation of words works. It get useful when you create some table, and in a table in one single column you have to mention some header or something on the left side. There it becomes helpful. In those cases you can put these. So now let's see next what next we have. Let's cover this one first, merge and center. How does this work actually? As name suggests, it merge the cells or merge the values within those cells. Let's select this example and apply this one. It has many four options here: merge and center. It will merge and center align the text and merge across. So when you say merge across, what it does actually, if you select multiple rows or multiple columns, it applies to different rows separately that function. I'll show you how it works. And merge cell means simply merge. Unmerge means if you have merged something, to unmerge that again. So let's work with this one first, merge and center align the text. So see here, and the text here, what you are seeing, it's again a merge and center align one. These are the example. So what you will do here, you will write something in a single cell and will select up till where you want to merge this. Say for this one, I want to merge within this area or within these cells. So I'll click on this, it will get merged. So this is how this works, merge and aligned. Now let's see, I was talking about the other example, merge across. So when we merge something across, what it does actually, so let's select these three cells and click on merge across. So this will get applied to all rows separately. So if you write something here, now it will come in two cells, like how these two are coming. So this is how merge across is working. So that was about merging functionality. Now let's talk about the wrap. A wrap text is very simple. Say now, for example, in the in this cell we have text which is going beyond the limit of this cell, and if you are seeing up till here it's coming. Now I just want to show this within the range of this cell, or want to limit its length or wrap this text within this cell. Then we use this wrap text. What it does actually, it will expand the column or rows. It will increase the size of column or rows and will wrap this text within uh, this column itself. Let's see how this works. See here. So now text is not outside of this cell, but it's in between. So this is how it works. If you want to unwrap that, it'll again go beyond this, but that row size will reduce. See here. This is how it works. It came to the original position. So this was about these all alignment functions. Hope you like this video. In next session we will talk about numbers, which has many things to talk about this. So where this these numbers, or where these formats get used, and these dollars and currencies, everything, percentage, and reducing and increasing the decimals, how does it works, we will talk in about this in next session. By then, thank you.